Hey friends, welcome back to Weekend Vibes, the podcast where we make your weekends brighter, funnier, and sometimes totally chaotic. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mark. Hi. We are so excited to have you with us today. And before we dive in, we want to hear from you. Comment below, what's your ultimate weekend vibe? Are you a sleep until noon type, a go on a mini adventure type, or a Netflix and snack type?
Yes, and really don't hold back. Share your weirdest, funniest, or most memorable weekend moment. Last week, a listener shared that they accidentally went to a yoga class thinking it was a coffee tasting. Imagine showing up in yoga pants, coffee in hand.
That is gold. And that's exactly what we want. Unexpected moments, little chaos, and big laughs. So comment your story. We want details. What happened, how you reacted, and how it ended.
And while you're thinking about it, here's a little warm-up activity. Imagine your dream weekend from morning to night. No rules, just what would make it perfect. Bonus points if it includes a little adventure, food, and laughter.
I love that. My ideal weekend: sunrise walk, coffee outside, maybe find a hidden cafe, some photography, a walk in the park, music and laughter with friends.
Mine's cozier. Late wake up, big coffee, scroll for inspiration, maybe bake something sweet, then relax with a movie or puzzle.
Listeners, comment which style resonates with you, adventure seeker or cozy lounger, and explain why. We love reading these.
And here's a little tip. If you're a slow starter, try adding one active thing. 10 minutes of stretching, a short walk, or making a fun breakfast. It makes your weekend feel longer and richer.
Totally. And even a little rituals matter. Your favorite mug, playlist, or taking a photo of breakfast. Yes, breakfast photos are totally a thing.
My cat thinks breakfast photos are a threat, jumping on the counter, knocking things over.
Pets are the ultimate weekend alarm clocks. Comment your funny pet morning stories.
And don't forget, weekends are the perfect time for experimenting with small routines, a new coffee recipe, a short workout, or even just journaling for 10 minutes.
Now, the tastiest part: weekend food adventures. Saturday brunch is sacred. Pancakes, eggs Benedict, avocado toast, smoothies, and why not a little chocolate drizzle?
And the experimental fun. Last weekend, I tried chili chocolate banana pancakes. Surprisingly tasty, but could have been a fail.
Speaking of fails, last weekend I tried homemade pasta. Flour everywhere, ceiling, counters, even my dog looked like a snowman.
Kitchen disasters are part of the fun. Comment below if you've ever ruined a recipe but laughed about it later.
And food adventures aren't just about cooking. Explore hidden cafes, try new bakeries, taste food trucks, or even make a picnic. Last week, I found a tiny shop that only sold muffins. Absolute magic.
And don't forget, food is about experience too. Watching people, chatting with baristas, discovering new tastes, all part of the weekend joy.
If you cook at home, make it social. Invite friends, family, or even your pet. The messier, the funnier, the better.
And listeners, share your kitchen disasters or food discoveries. We may read your story next episode. Weekends are perfect for little adventures: hikes, walks, cycling, or exploring your neighborhood.
I love stumbling upon hidden cafes or tiny parks. Last weekend, I found a little bookstore with a secret garden. Perfect Saturday moment.
And spontaneous adventures make weekends feel magical. Step outside, wander a new street, or explore an unknown area.
Even short road trips, a few hours discovering lakes, parks, or quirky cafes, make your weekend unforgettable.
And safety first. Wear proper shoes, bring water, maybe a backup charger if you're exploring new areas.
Listeners, share your outdoor weekend adventures, secret cafes, hidden parks, or funny encounters. We want to hear it all.
Now, the part we all secretly love: weekend fails and funny stories. Because sometimes the most memorable weekends are messy, chaotic, and hilarious.
Let's kick off with my muddy bike disaster. Hit a mud patch, slipped, face first in mud, helmet flew, phone soaked, cartoon chaos.
And I once baked banana bread but set the oven to broil. Blackened kitchen, friends over, one brave soul suggested pizza instead.
Comment your funny fails. Bonus points if it involves pets, DIY, or cooking disasters.
Yoga disaster, fell over, knocked over a vase, almost took out the cat, flour explosion during pasta making, rainy picnic, soaked sandwiches and blanket, road trip gone off track.
Family game night fails, Monopoly board flipped, pieces everywhere, dog chewing laundry, movie night frozen screens.
DIY disasters, painting project gone wrong, glue everywhere, glitter catastrophe.
Pet antics, cat climbing on keyboard, dog stealing socks, Bert knocking over cups.
Outdoor fails, hiking slip, biking crash, kayaking tip over.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Share your messy, funny, or chaotic weekend stories in the comments. We may feature them in our next episode. Remember, the bigger the fail, the better the story.
All right, friends, now we're diving into family and friends time because let's face it, weekends aren't just about adventures or food, they're about connecting with people we love.
Absolutely. Movie nights, game nights, coffee dates, park walks, even a simple chat can make your weekend feel special.
One of my favorite memories was last weekend. We had a family picnic at the park. Everything started perfectly until the wind picked up, sandwiches flew, and my little cousin ran straight into the pond. Total chaos.
Oh no, that's classic weekend chaos. Listeners, share your funniest or most unexpected family moments. We love reading them.
And don't forget friends, even casual hangouts can be memorable. I went to a friend's house for a brunch experiment. We tried to make fancy pancakes and ended up with pancakes stuck to the ceiling.
Oh my gosh. And that's the beauty of weekends. The bigger the mess, the better the story.
And even quiet moments count. Playing board games, baking together, or just chatting on the couch. Sometimes those are the memories you remember most.
Listeners, what's your favorite way to spend weekends with loved ones? Comment below. We may highlight your story in the next episode.
Now, let's talk about self-care and relaxation. Weekends are perfect for recharging before Monday hits.
Totally. Sunday evenings are sacred. A warm bath, candles, light music, maybe journaling or reading. It's a way to reset and reflect on the week.
And even small self-care activities count. A short walk, a coffee in the park, listening to your favorite playlist, or planning the week ahead.
Listeners, comment your favorite self-care ritual. Maybe someone listening will get inspired.
And let's be real, self-care doesn't have to be serious. Sometimes a messy baking session, a goofy dance in your living room, or watching a guilty pleasure show counts as self-care too. Yes, bonus points if it's messy and fun.
Okay, friends, here's something interactive. Mini weekend challenges. Try one new thing. Could be cooking, outdoor adventure, a craft, a workout, or even a silly activity like dancing in your living room.
Exactly. And share your results in the comments. Funny, messy, or amazing, we want to hear it. Bonus points if pets or friends are involved.
Last week, I tried a backyard camping challenge, just me and a tent in the garden. Ended up with bugs everywhere, a raccoon stealing snacks, and I slept for about 20 minutes before the cat jumped on my face.
Oh, wow. And that's exactly the kind of story we want. Listeners, share your mini adventure results. We may read them next episode.
And remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is fun, adventure, laughter, and sometimes chaos.
All right, back to our favorite weekend fails. Let's go big, the ultimate list of chaos, mess, and laughter.
Story 1. Hiking slip. Went on a simple trail, tripped on a root, rolled into a bush, scraped knee, water bottle rolled down the hill.
Hiking karma. Listeners, comment if you've tried an easy trail that turned into an adventure.
Story 2. Coffee disaster. Tried fancy latte art at home, coffee everywhere. Counter, floor, cat jumped in the cup, chaos.
Story 3. Rainy picnic. Sun shining, blankets set up, then a sudden downpour. Sandwiches soaked, dogs splashed everywhere.
Story 4. Board game meltdown. Monopoly heated up, board flipped, pieces everywhere, cousin cried, dog stole a card, complete disaster.
Story 5. Baking disaster. Attempted a cake, followed recipe perfectly, except I used salt instead of sugar. Cake was rock hard. Friends still ate it, politely.
Story 6, road trip mishap. GPS rerouted me into a dirt road, stuck in mud for 2 hours, phone dead, just me and the wilderness.
Story 7, DIY painting fail. Decided to paint a small table, paint everywhere. Dog walked through wet paint, glitter exploded, floor looked like a party disaster.
Story 8, yoga catastrophe. New pose, legs in air, knocked over vase, almost injured cat, slipped on mat, classic weekend chaos.
Story 9, laundry fails. Forgot a red sock, washed all whites, everything pink. Listeners, comment if you've ever ruined a full laundry load.
Story 10, pet antics. Cat climbed on keyboard mid-Zoom call, dog stole socks mid-walk, birds knocking over glasses, chaos everywhere.
And the beauty is, these fails aren't just funny, they're memories. They make your weekend stories unforgettable.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Share your funniest, messiest, chaotic weekend fails. We might read them live in the next episode.
After all the adventures, food, and chaos, let's take a moment to reflect. Weekends aren't just free days, they're a chance to recharge, connect, and create stories.
Exactly. It's not about perfection. It's about moments that make you laugh, memories you share, and little adventures that surprise you.
And whether it's a huge outdoor adventure, a cozy baking session, or a simple walk with friends, weekends are about joy.
Listeners, think about one thing you loved this weekend, even if it was tiny. Share it in the comments. Celebrate your weekend wins.
That's a wrap for our Weekend Vibes episode.
Don't forget to comment, share with friends, and tag us with your weekend stories, fails, food adventures, family chaos, or quiet self-care moments.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. More laughs, adventures, and messy fun are coming your way.
Until next time, embrace the messy moments, try something new, laugh at your fails, and make your weekend unforgettable.